Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a project and importing your footage or image sequence into Capcut. Trim down immediately to the section you want. This reduces clutter and speeds processing. Once done, check the project frame rate. Choose 2430 FPS for smooth playback, or choose 612 FPS if you want a deliberate stop motion look. Make sure to save a copy before heavy edits. That way you can revert quickly if timing feels off, or if you need alternate takes. You now convert motion into discrete frames. Split the clip into very short segments with the split tool, targeting about 0.05 to 0.17 seconds per slice for a choppy, stop motion feel. Once split, use freeze frame or duplicate individual segments to hold each pose. Adjust duration until motion reads correctly, shorter for jitter, longer for smoother stepped motion. If you have sequential photos, import them and align using guides. Once done, play back and tweak durations. You finish by reviewing the sequence at full length and making small adjustments. Remove flickers, tighten timing, and add minimal transitions if needed to hide abrupt jumps. Once done, export at your project frame rate and test playback on the target device. Make sure speed matches intent. If you encounter jitter or flicker, check alignment, consistent lighting, and whether any frames overlap or have differing exposures. Fixing those usually resolves artifacts. Finally, keep a version history so you can revert or iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.